6:13 here on this Monday morning. Sunny skies will be back this afternoon, but you may have to deal with a little bit of patchy fog in spots this morning. Otherwise, this afternoon looks like a lot of sun and still some very warm temperatures in the 80s. A few sprinkles might be possible early tomorrow morning, but it's very few and far between. Doesn't look like much rain at all. And then after that, our next chance for some showers, maybe even a weak thunderstorm, kind of late Thursday afternoon going into early Friday, is probably the best chance for rain this week. So when you look at Sky 5, there's not a lot of fog out there. A little bit of fog may form from time to time, a few patches this morning, but in Weslaco right now it's still fairly clear. 60 degrees and light winds from the southeast. Maybe just enough wind to keep the fog from really forming in most areas. If that wind would drop down to like 2 or 3 miles per hour, we'd probably have more fog. But visibility still dropping off a little bit in spots, down to about a quarter mile at the airport near Brownsville, and even around a half mile across areas around Harlingen, parts of Wilson County, and a little fog area here and there across parts of northern Hidalgo County. But generally, most areas, the majority of the places, very little or no fog. But still, it could thicken up a little bit between now and maybe 8 in the morning or so before it starts to dissipate. 58 degrees in Edinburgh, 60 in Brownsville right now, and 57 in Port Isabel. With all that sunshine, though, later this morning, this afternoon, it should have no trouble getting above the 80-degree mark nearly everywhere. Near 86 for a high in McAllen, 83 in Brownsville, and 83 in Rio Grande City, even 86 in Rio Grande City and most of Starr County in the mid-80s. So this afternoon, you see Future Track does have a lot of sun returning. I think a very sunny afternoon, very few clouds left over during the late morning and afternoon hours. Tonight, we could start to see some clouds thicken late at night, but still I think most of the evening and early night will be fairly clear. Might even be a few patches of fog in spots briefly late tonight. But there is a weak cold front coming through, not much of one, a weak disturbance. So it might be enough to generate a couple sprinkles, mainly tomorrow morning. Notice how there's a lot of clouds around, and occasionally a little sprinkle or two flares up in the valley on the map. But there's almost no rain tomorrow in most areas, and I think we're looking for the sun to even break through by afternoon again. So it could turn out to be almost as warm tomorrow. We should be near 80 degrees on Tuesday afternoon, and then by Wednesday, I think we're back into some sunshine, but lower humidity and slightly cooler temperatures. And again, rainfall amounts, Future Track shows almost no rain. When you look at Tuesday morning's rainfall amounts, early tomorrow morning, it shows practically nothing, near zero rainfall amounts, maybe a few hundredths of an inch near the coast or north of the valley. But again, if you get a sprinkle tomorrow morning, that's about it. So rain chances overall 20 to 30% for just sprinkles late tonight and tomorrow morning. But after that, we're still dry tomorrow afternoon and Wednesday. Our next rain chance on Thursday could be a little bit better chance to see more than sprinkles, maybe some actual showers. So we'll keep an eye on that. But today is 84 degrees, early morning fog in spots, otherwise mostly sunny skies. Similar to yesterday's temperatures, quite warm in the afternoon for January, up in the mid-80s. And then by tonight, down to 62 degrees late tonight. Maybe some clouds or sprinkles in spots as we get towards sunrise tomorrow morning. But again, just sprinkles, nothing really to dampen the roads too much tomorrow. 81 for a high tomorrow. 71 on Wednesday. I think Wednesday looks like a beautiful day for like sunshine, low humidity, light breezes around. Could be a little breezy near the coast, maybe like 20-mile-per-hour winds on Wednesday. Thursday, we start to cloud up, and there could be some showers scattered around Thursday afternoon into Friday morning, maybe even a weak thunderstorm, depending on the track of an upper-level disturbance coming through. That's our best chance for the rain this entire week. After that, we should clear out into another very sunny weekend, even some sun Friday afternoon, but I think Saturday and Sunday look pretty sunny again, and temperatures still pretty comfortable here for January. So we'll keep on tracking in your first 1-5 forecast coming up here on Channel 5 News this morning.